Hello guys, I hope you are well. I just got a new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra tablet. In this video I will first unbox it and do a review and a comparison between Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra with previous year Galaxy Tab S7 Plus and even with Galaxy Tab S6. As you can see from the thin packaging, charger is not included. So let's unbox to see what you actually got in the box. In addition to tablet, here is USB-C cable, some basic instructions, and the needle for the SD card slot. Wow! I bought this tablet by myself in a pre-sale, so I knew that the size of this tablet is 14.6 inches, but this tablet in reality is huge, which is of course positive thing for a tablet, at least in my opinion. It comes in armor aluminum frame that disables bending. It's a pity it doesn't come in other color than Mystic Grey. I would prefer Mystic Blue like on Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. I still don't have a cover, but as I bought it in a pre-sale, I would get book cover with a keyboard and I would later do a review of it. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is also heavy, some 726 grams or 1.6 pounds. Because of its size and weight, it is hard to use this tablet in a bed like other tablets like Galaxy Tab S7 Plus or even smaller Galaxy Tab S6. However, it is perfect for watching videos on this great Super AMOLED 120Hz screen. The resolution of this big but beautiful screen is 1848 by 2960 pixels, so it is more than Full HD but less than 4K, although it can reproduce 4K videos. Also, the display has HDR10 Plus feature, which enhances the color and contrast of media by applying dynamic tone mapping to each specific scene, continuously fine-tuning settings as content plays to create richer, more vivid color and better light and shadow detail. As you can see, this notch for front camera isn't a big deal when you are watching movie or using tablet in other way. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Regarding sound, it has 4 stereo speakers tuned by AKG. You can hear how good they are. Dual 12 megapixels front cameras, wide and ultra-wide, enable the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra to provide your video calls experience with 4K video quality at 30 frames per second. Also, Tab S8 Ultra has fantastic wide 13 megapixel rear camera that is capable to record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Also, it has additional ultra-wide 6 megapixel rear camera and LED flash. The chipset is Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8th generation. It has octa-core CPU and Adreno 730 GPU. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has 128 GB of internal memory and 8 GB of RAM memory. It has also dedicated SD card slot for up to 1 TB of additional memory. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is also the first Samsung tablet to support Wi-Fi 6E, which provides up to double the bandwidth. Of course, that depends on the quality of internet connection you have. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is equipped with fast fingerprint optical sensor under display. The use of Samsung DeX option is emphasized on Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra due to its screen size. Samsung DeX is a convenient desktop experience that takes the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra from tablet mode to desktop mode. Also, DeX is more useful if Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is used with a keyboard. Samsung DeX also allows to share your tablet screen on an external display. S Pen that comes with Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is by its shape identical to S Pen that comes with Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. However, on paper it is improved to be almost without latency. It uses a prediction algorithm for ultra-low latency and delivers really incredible writing experience that in some applications, like Samsung Notes, mimics gliding a pen across paper. S Pen also allows selecting options from S Pen menu, including creating notes, viewing notes, screen write, live messages, coloring in Pin-Up app, and more. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra comes with Android 12 and much improved One UI 4.1. I like Samsung apps, especially Samsung Notes and Samsung Internet Browser. Samsung Internet Browser is simple to use, fast and reliable. Samsung Notes app not only provides sound that mimics gliding a pen across paper, but allows automatic sharing of notes across devices. Also, Samsung Notes enable you to create notes containing texts, images with footnotes, voice recordings, and music. Also, the app provides various brush types and color mixers. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra also comes with Clip Studio app, similar to Procreate that is only available for iPods. The tablet also comes with Note Shelf, one another Note app, but I prefer Samsung Notes app. I also use Canva, and the best alternative to Procreate and very interesting app that allows calligraphy writing with the S Pen is Sketchbook. New Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra got useful feature for photo editing. Now there is option for erasing objects, erasing shadows, and erasing reflections in photos. As you can see, it is very easy to use. Also, Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is the first Samsung tablet that comes with Samsung Health app pre-installed that updates from phone and Galaxy Watch by Wi-Fi. It also has fitness recommendations depending on your interests. I also like splitting screen option that enables multitasking that is particularly functional on Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra due to its large screen. First, you have to choose one app and then others from the sidebar menu. You can combine up to 3 apps, and above them you can choose one another as a pop-up app. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has a huge, intelligent and long-lasting lithium polymer battery of 11,200 mAh. It supports 45-watt super-fast charging that can get you back to 100% of battery in 80 minutes. But I use 25-watt super-fast charger and I'm very well satisfied with the charging speed. So, if we compare the display and the sound of Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, we can see that there are no many differences when compared to Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, that also offers HDR10 Plus feature, 4 stereo speakers, 120 Hz, and just resolution is lower in Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. However, even if you already have Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, you can go for Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, as there is a huge difference in the size of the screen that matters. S Pen that comes with Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is improved, but I cannot see the difference as the one that comes with Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is also great. You can also split screen and do multitasking, use the DeX mode and other apps. For a full review of Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, you can see the video on my channel by clicking the link in the description. The new Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has better S Pen, better display resolution, better battery due to its size, better chipset, more RAM memory and better Wi-Fi connectivity. Other aspects seems very similar. Thank you for watching. Keep track for more videos soon. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button down below.